a Friday, folks. For me, anyways. It's a Friday, folks. For me, anyways. It is actually Sunday. St. Patrick's Day, so we just got our groceries delivered today. Got a little meal prep done. I did all my fruits and vegetables, and then I did my beef. I cooked my ground beef that I'm gonna turn into like a beef potato skillet thing, I think, just because it sounded easy, and I'm not really in the mood this week to cook anything extravagant. But yeah, I had a pretty good start to my morning, not gonna lie. I mean, I'm running on 6 hours of sleep, but you gotta do what you gotta do. And I just keep telling myself, it's Friday, it's Friday. Other than that, welcome back to another Abigail Page Designs Disney College Program vlog. I apologize for the bus noise. Like I said, I'm just on my way to work, but I wanted to start this vlog off today. I wanted to cry, folks. I have 2 days off this week, and I am so excited for it. They're in a row, so it's gonna be like an official weekend, and I'm gonna just enjoy every moment of it. This week has been a little rough. I had one of my worst work days I've ever had a couple days ago, and this is just much needed. So yeah, all that said, I'm gonna get going here so that way I can get to work, but I will catch up with you guys tomorrow morning. Everybody, actually good afternoon, but for me this is like a later start to the morning. It is about 12:49. I let myself sleep in today. It was just very nice. I just let myself get up naturally, and oh my gosh, it just felt so good to not get up to an alarm. But yeah, I just unloaded the dishwasher and I'm enjoying my yogurt parfait bowl, because I am about to head out and do kind of a hybrid training day. Saturday was my rest day, so yesterday I did like a full body workout in the gym, and then today I think I'm gonna do a mixture of running and maybe an ab workout. I think I'm gonna just mix it up. I think like if you don't mix it up, then it's just gets very redundant, very boring. So I think it'll be kind of fun, different. I did something similar last week and I really loved it. It was just like the perfect mix, the perfect blend. So I'm gonna do that, and then we just have a lot of like chores to catch up on today. I'm gonna be honest, today is gonna be kind of a reset day, and then it'll probably drag on into tomorrow because I have a 2-day weekend. Oh, what's that? So I think today I'm gonna focus on a lot of my computer work, or try to get most of that done. I will probably just take my computer to the pool and do it all down there because it is so gorgeous out as usual. And then I had something else I gotta do. Oh yeah, we had kind of a freak accident with my shoes yesterday at work, and they started rubbing up against the bone of like my big toe. I don't know if that makes any sense to you guys, but wow, holy painful. I was maybe an hour into work and I was like in tears. It was so painful. The shoe like started to collapse in on my foot, and they're only a month old. I got them from Amazon and I will not be recommending them to anybody. And so I think it started rubbing up against my foot, and now I have a sore big toe. It feels like it was like squished for too long, and now it just needs to like breathe. I'm hoping that doesn't affect running today. If it does, then I'm gonna just jump onto the bike and do biking instead, because it'll be easier on my toe. But yeah, other than that, oh yeah, new shoes. And then my Costco delivery guy only brought me one bunch of bananas. And if you know me, that is unacceptable. That will only last me approximately 2 more days. So we need to buy another bunch of bananas while we're out. And I think that was it. Maybe some soy sauce if we can find that, because we are also going to be meal prepping today. Did I mention that? We are going to be making this like beef potato skillet thing in the oven because it sounded easy. And then we're also going to be making stir fry. So yeah, I will take you guys along for that. And we're just going to have a fun day in. I am going to finish up my yogurt parfait bowl so I can get moving here. And I will talk to you guys in a bit. First 5 miles, check. Ab exercises, check. And now we're gonna do another 5 miles. Woo! I'm actually feeling pretty good. It was very nice to take a break in the gym and do like, you know, just some ab exercises in the AC. Yeah, and now we're ready to hammer out the last 5 miles. And then we're probably gonna go buy those shoes because I would just like to get that over with. I think you guys are gonna think I have a shoe problem, and I kind of do, but yeah, I don't know, you gotta have the right shoes. If you don't have the right shoes, then it affects the rest of your body, literally, your back, your, literally everything. So yeah, but I will see you guys 5 miles later. And workout done for the day. My gosh, that sun feels amazing as always. I'm sorry if it is a bit windy on the screen. It is, for whatever reason, when I was running that second time around, it got very windy. But yeah, I know that I smell, and that's never a good thing when you know that you smell, and you can smell yourself. So I'm gonna go home, shower, and then we're gonna go buy new shoes and a bunch of bananas. Because that is, as you know, my life. Bananas, shoes, and work. What more could you need? We are all showered and cleaned up. I just got some quick cleaning done in the kitchen as well. And now we're gonna go buy new shoes and my bananas. Yeah, I'm gonna be honest, my toe is not feeling super great. It was fine, and now it is not. So I'm not worried about it, but I'm starting to keep a little closer eye on it because I have been known to get infections in the past. I know it's a little TMI, but I am just like really prone to finger and toe infections. I don't know why. So I'm praying it's not an infection. However, I am going to alert my mom, who has my doctor's contact info in case I need an antibiotic for it. I have no idea how I would have gotten it, but it needs to be gone because it's really getting on my nerves. So, oh my gosh, it's so windy! But I will see you guys in the store when it's not like, you know, blowing in my face. My goodness, well, I apologize for the crazy hair. It is very windy out. My goodness gracious. Okay. Well, that was painful to say the least. My total was $138.94. So if these give me issues, I'm going to literally cry. They are Hoka's. I have never been a Hoka girl, but I'll have to let you know what I think. I almost went for Brooks, but because I run in those shoes, I kind of want to keep those as my running shoes and not my regular shoes, if you know what I mean, or my work shoes. So I figured why not try something different, and yeah, the Hoka's were actually more reasonably priced than the Brooks, so still expensive. Still definitely put a little pain into getting these, but I have 30 days to figure out if I like them or not, so we'll feel them out. They're super lightweight, and I liked that they were a little bit wider and they had a lot of padding, so hopefully, because I'm working on hard floors all the time, that'll help with back issues, etc. So yeah, I'll have to give you guys a little update later on about my new pair of shoes for work. But other than that, I am probably gonna get some of my computer work done now and eat something because I am starving. And then a little bit later, we're gonna do some meal prep. So still lots to do, but you know what? We're chilling. I have 2 days off, and that just sets the tone for like very relaxed Abby. Not to mention, my Vitacost order came, so I'm excited for that. It has a lot of my cereal that Costco just randomly decided to stop selling. So I just stocked up on Vitacost because I get 6% back with my credit card, and then on top of that, I'm a Rakuten member, so yeah, the points added up quickly, and I got like 25% off all of my cereal. So I'm gonna open that. I am so excited to try these new flavors because I got like this chocolate one with my peanut butter cereal bowl. Excuse me. It's gonna be amazing. I'm gonna have to let you guys know, even though I kind of already know I'm gonna like it. So I'll move this big box in a minute so you can actually see what I'm doing. But I just don't want to show my address, even though you kind of know where I live. So the first new kind I got was the maple cinnamon. It looked absolutely delicious, and I love cinnamon, so that's gonna be a fun one to try. And I believe I got 2 bags of that. I did not order this, so I'm gonna have to ask about that. And then I got 2 bags of Real Cocoa chocolate cereal. This one also looked delicious. I'm very excited to try it. And then 1 more bag of maple cinnamon. This will probably last me, I don't really know, because these are smaller bags than Costco's were, so I guess we'll see. But I'll probably still order just an extra bag from Costco because they have it again now, of course, after I bought it from Vitacost. Next time I do my Costco order, just so I have enough, and that way if they ever decide they're going to stop selling it again, I have enough to get me through. I also had to get some vitamin C. So I just got the Vitacost brand, never had these, but the ingredients were pretty comparable to the ones I had before. So I'll have to let you know what I think. And I had the same amount of vitamin C for the serving size. So if you know me, I'm a very firm believer in my vitamin C. I'm still very thrown off by this coconut. Like, did I pay for this? Because I didn't order it. Like, did not order it. So I'm gonna have to look at that. But yeah, I'm gonna get some computer work done, and I will update you guys in a little bit. Alrighty, it is a bit later, everybody. Sorry for the noise in the background. That is the air fryer because I am working on the potato ground beef mixture that I was telling you about. So the potatoes are air fried and in the cast iron, and then I have my ground beef, which I cooked yesterday. here, and now I'm just waiting for the broccoli because I think what I'm gonna do is kind of make it like a cheesy potato broccoli beef thing. I don't know, we'll see how it turns out. My chicken is currently just doing its thing in the oven, and then we will get to working on the stir fry, but we gotta wait till the chicken's done. And then I have to let it rest, then I have to cut it, and then we're gonna add our stir fry veggies. So super easy meal prep. I am kind of multitasking. I'm editing, I called my mom, and it's just been, yeah, kind of grinding away. But I will update you guys as soon as the broccoli is done. It's got 18 minutes, and then my chicken should hopefully be done soon, so fingers crossed. It is, I don't even know how much later. I kind of forget the last time I picked up the camera. I think it was when I was making dinner. But yeah, things got a little hectic. I called my mom, and then I got sucked into what I like to call the editing hole and have basically just been editing for hours and hours and hours. But we're almost done. It's a labor of love. This next coming video, the one that comes out before this one, is yeah, it was a labor of love, but the editing in it, I was pretty proud of myself. I've been trying to like step out of my comfort zone and try new editing techniques, and yeah, I think it paid off this time. But other than that, I'm just gonna chill with my roommates for the rest of the night, and then I will catch up with you guys tomorrow, and we'll see what tomorrow holds. I don't really have much to do, so I'm hoping to have time and do something fun, because very rarely do my roommates and I have the same day off. So we're gonna try and go have a little fun, you know? Alrighty, I will see you guys in the morning.